Faraday Future stock flies, since Friday's close electric vehicle startups are in the spotlight, and today, Faraday Future, ticker symbol FFIE, is red hot. The stock price has skyrocketed over 100% since Friday's close, currently trading around $1.80. Buckle up as we dissect the key events behind this wild ride. Let's take a look at the chart. I mentioned on Friday's video that we would need the momentum to carry into this week, and we are seeing really good signs of that. As of right now, FFIE is trading at roughly 180. This is about a $1 increase compared to Friday's closing price of around 90 cents. That's a one-day gain of over 100%. If you bought Friday's dip, you should be up today. How high can FFIE stock go? At this point, it's difficult to predict precisely how much room to run it has. But now the momentum from the Roaring Kitty rally has died down, and this new meme stock is still rising. That suggests that Faraday Future may have growth potential beyond the short squeeze, and despite all its growth, it still trades at a low enough price point that many investors may see it as being worth a gamble simply based on its recent performance. From here, I think if the momentum keeps going up in our favor, this stock should rebound to last week's $4 price in no time. So, let's explore some potential catalysts. It shares some characteristics with meme stocks, a young innovative company, a passionate online following, and high short interest. Heavy retail investor buying could be a significant factor in today's price surge. However, it's important to remember that these types of rallies can be volatile and unpredictable. Speaking of short interest, FFIE does have a significant amount of it. This has led some to speculate about a potential short squeeze. In simpler terms, if the price keeps going up, short sellers might be forced to buy back shares to cover their positions, which could further fuel the rally. While short squeezes can be dramatic, they're not guaranteed. Be cautious about chasing such speculation and always do your own research. Now, here's what makes FFIE potentially different from other meme stocks like GameStop and AMC. Those companies operate in mature industries with limited growth prospects. In contrast, the electric vehicle (EV) market is booming, with significant growth expected in the coming years. This could give FFIE a fundamental reason to grow beyond the short-term hype. While Faraday Future is still a young company with challenges to overcome, some investors see it as a potential turnaround. This could explain why the stock continues to climb even after the initial retail investor frenzy might have subsided. Of course, there's also a lot of skepticism surrounding FFIE. Critics point to the company's lack of a proven track record and its limited production capacity. They argue that the current price movement might be an unsustainable bubble. It's important to acknowledge these concerns. Before investing in FFIE, or any volatile stock for that matter, you need to be comfortable with a high degree of risk. Remember to subscribe for more updates and like the video as well. The FFIE story is unfolding rapidly and we'll be sure to keep you updated.